Using 3D design, I love to use a program in 3D called Chief Architect. And it is a very extensive program. It gives every client the opportunity to visualize their space three-dimensionally. A lot of times it's difficult and to visualize some of the materials that you've selected are going to actually look like. And it can be a little unnerving because you're just unsure and you get worried whether you're going to make a mistake or how's it going to look when it's all said and done. Chief Architect is great because you can take any of the client's selection, different cabinet finishes, different countertops, backsplash, which is really key, can kind of help be the jewelry to the overall design and pull it all together. We're able to take those finishes and put it into Chief Architect and then show the client their selections three-dimensionally that really overall gives them a great visualization of what their project's going to look like.